Hey guys, in this video we're going to configure the TinyMCE Advanced plugin, and then we're going to create our squeeze page in the next video. So let's go to your dashboard and log in, and that would be your domain name / wp-admin and .com or whatever your URL is. And when you log into your dashboard, you're going to scroll down on the left sidebar, click on Settings, and you're going to see another window appear. Go down and click on TinyMCE Advanced plugin. Now by default, WordPress comes with a basic plugin installed, the basic editor. And what this does, it adds functionality to your blog where you can actually do just about anything you want to with it. But just because you installed the plugin doesn't mean it's already set up. You have to go to Settings, click on the plugin on the left sidebar, and this window will appear. Now, I've already configured my plugin, but the way you do it, you simply drag and drop what you want from down here up to the top and let go wherever you want it. Like right there. I've already got too many things on there. I'm going to have to take one of mine off, but you can just about do anything you want to with this plugin. So, play around with it. Now what you really want is your font family. It doesn't come installed like that. You have to drag the font family from down here, it's no longer there, up to here. You need the font size, and I like to put the paragraph in too. You don't actually have to do that, but that does give some extra functionality to your editor. So play around with it, and you just have to play with it to see how it works. Now let's scroll all the way down, and you also be sure that you check the box on Advanced Options, and you just put a check mark right there. Stop removing the whatever that code is there, brackets, tags, when showing them in the HTML editor. So that actually keeps WordPress from interfering with this particular plugin, and you'll have a smooth operation when you go to create your squeeze page. Then when you get through, you gotta save your changes. Once you configure it, you'll scroll down and save changes, and then you're ready to go with that plugin. Now what I want to do is show you, let me scroll back over here, and we're going to go to my pages. I want to show you a squeeze page, that I created using the WP Sales Funnel plugin. I'm going to go view all pages, and you should have already installed you should have already created a page for your squeeze pages directed in the manual. So it's not finished yet, but I always save mine as drafts until I get ready to actually publish it. So let's go to my first squeeze page here and see what it says. Click on that. Now that brings you to your editor, and that's what you need to do. You type whatever the name of your squeeze page is here, and then you type your headline in here. Now what you can do, you can play around with your editor, and you can if you want to bold something, you've got the B, italics is here, but what you have to do is highlight the word that you're working with, and then you can apply bold, italics, strike through, underline here, and you can choose your font, which I chose Tahoma. Just click on that drop down right there, and you can choose, by scrolling down, you can choose Tahoma, which I did. Tahoma right there. You can choose your font size, and I've used a 36, but you can make it smaller or larger, and I recommend 36 to start with, just to see how it looks. So you just scroll down and choose the size that you want it. Again, once you type your copy, you'll have to highlight everything, just like this. Once you type your headline in, highlight it, and then you're going to choose, let's see, the size right here. And then once you choose the size, it'll automatically enlarge it for you. Same thing with font. Highlight it, choose your text. Color, if you want to change the color of a word, this is the color chart. You can click on that, and you can create just about any color you want with their options on this editor. It's really a cool editor. It's a little slow here. So you just choose the color you want here. Highlight function in the editor right here. Although the background color is there. Let's see. Where's my highlighter at? I thought I had put that up in the top. I guess there was too many things up there, so I'll have to remove some of these to make the highlighter work. But there is a highlight function that you can use to highlight words like you just do the same thing. Scroll over the word, click on the highlight function, it'll highlight it, you're good to go. But you'll have to grab it from the bottom and configure it. If you want to change it, you have to go back to your left sidebar, choose TinyMCE, and change it there. Drag and drop. Alright, that's the squeeze page. Now let's go look at the squeeze page that I created. We're going to look at pages. We're here. And let that load right quick again. And I'm going to click preview. And there's my squeeze page. And you can make one just like that very simply with this plugin. So it's professional. I mean, it looks really good. You have to follow the manual and go to Aweber and get your code and upload your graphic and all of that. So let's go back here, close that out. Now, in order to upload graphics for your squeeze page, you simply go to Media, go to the library, or you can add a new one. So if you're just doing this for the first time, there's nothing in your media library whatsoever. So you go to Add New, click on that. Okay. And this menu pops up. You can drop and drag files from your computer, or you can select files and browse your computer. So let's just go to Select Files, and I'll go to let's go to some pictures I have on my computer. Click on Pictures. This is your computer that pops up. So wherever you have your graphic for your ebook, you go find it and you scroll. I got a whole bunch of stuff in here. Just scroll down till you find an image that you want to upload. Let's see if I can find something here. And let's upload this slide. I'll click on that. Then you click on Open. And there it's uploading to your media center. And there it is. So scroll down, you can see it. So whenever you want to insert an image into a page, like we're going to be doing in the next video when we create our squeeze page, you simply go to your media library, you just click on Media, go to your library now. And there's the slide right there. So if you want to edit it, you click on this, just click on the slide, and there you see that you can update your media. Has the dimensions. You can edit it, and you can crop it, and you have to play around with it. You can put a title, you can put an alternate text, which I highly recommend, with your keywords in whatever the image is you're going to be using. I wouldn't put a caption with it, so you can put a brief description, and then you want to always click update media. Now let's go back to pages, and I'm going to add a new page. Let's see, let's add a new page. I'm going to call this simply test. Now, so you got a headline here. So you want to insert an image. All you have to do, if you want to upload it, click this. If you want to insert it from your library, you click this. So click on Insert. Put your cursor there first, and click on Insert. Then you're going to choose your media library. Alternately, you can upload it from your computer now, or you can have a URL to the image. I'm going to choose media library, and I'm going to choose show slide right here. Just click on show, and there it is. Now what you have to do is scroll down, and you have some choices now that appear when you want to embed this in your page. We're going to, I'm going to click center it. Now if you have a 2-column squeeze page you're going to create, you want to click on left, but I'm going to make this center. I'm going to choose the medium size, and then I am going to insert in the post. Click the button. There you are. It's as simple as that. And if you click save, or you click save as a draft, whatever, then you're good to go. Just save it as a draft, and then you can come back later on and work on your page till you get it like you like it. Now let me show you something else about this. It's really cool. Scroll down, you can click on it, left click, and you can move this image around. You can make it like that. Of course it gets out of focus that way. You can resize it, whatever you want to do with it, or you can actually, let's see, take the corner here. There you go. And then you can click save as draft again. But it's a little bit out of focus. It's better to, if you're going to resize it, it's better to do it in the media library itself where it actually does it correctly. And that's the story of configuring your TinyMCE editor. There's one more thing we need to look at. Up here you'll see visual and HTML. You have both options. If you want to view that HTML, click on that, and there's the HTML. You go back and forth between the two. And if you're going to embed a video for a video squeeze page, you always want to click on HTML, go to YouTube, grab your code, come back and paste it in here as HTML. and then you can click back to visual and you'll see it embedded on your page. Alright, I'll see you in the next video, and we're going to create our squeeze page, and we'll talk a little bit about the SEO plugin, all-in-one SEO pack, when we actually create the squeeze page. I'll see you in the next video.